Welcome back, YouTube. DMP Sports Cards in Sacramento, California. We're going to do another box break of Dominion Hockey. This one's mine. I'm still tracking down the Tyler Seguin rookie card for my set. So, let's hope we see one here. This is box number 5,629 that I've opened to this stuff. Okay, here we go. Well, there's my boy right on top. Best player in the league right there, Ryan Kesler. Vancouver Canucks, base card. Next card, Daniel Alfredson, base card. And we got a Stefan De La Rovere autograph from the Blues, rookie card. I think I'm still needing that one. Rick Middleton, Ruby autograph out of 50, I believe that is. Got your number, dual jersey, Ryan Smith and Brendan Shanahan. Jersey card, gold foil, Nicholas Lidstrom. I believe that's out of 199. Jersey number patch, Boston Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. That's out of 25. Jersey number patch, Louis Eriksson. Also numbered to 25. There we go. Nazem Kadri, rookie autograph. Got numbered to 99 from the Toronto Maple Leafs. That saved the pack. And the last card, base card, gold, Drew Doughty, Los Angeles Kings. Thanks for watching. DMP Sports Cards, Sacramento, California.